This is a quick video to talk about the area of composite figures and how we find those. So before I talk about that, we just got to understand what a composite figure is. Composite means to put things together. So this will be a figure that we see several different kinds of figures in it, and we use what we know about geometry, like rectangles, triangles, circles, hexagons, parallelograms, whatever, to find those individual areas, and then we put them together based on what we see. So here I have a figure, and if I drew a line right here, I could see that this figure is made up of a triangle and a rectangle. So putting that way, now I can put the area together. And the way I do that is that I find the area of this triangle and I find the area of this rectangle. And once I do that, I add them together, and all together I'll find the area of this composite figure. Let's take a look at another one. Here I can see that by drawing some lines, I actually have three shapes going on. I have that triangle again, the rectangle again, but this time I'm adding a hemisphere. And we'll talk about a hemisphere in a second. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to find that area of that triangle. I'm going to find the area of that rectangle, and I'm going to find the area of the hemisphere. Now, one of the things we have to remember about a hemisphere is really a circle that we've cut in half. So we'd find the area of the circle and take half of that area. Once I do that, and I would add them all together, I would get the area of this strange composite figure. Now, something for us to think about is that we're not always adding. So let's say, for example, I want to find the area of this red part of the rectangles. This is like a rectangle in a rectangle, but I only want the area of that red section. It's like a sidewalk. It's like there's grass in the middle and here's the sidewalk. I just want the area of the sidewalk. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to find that area of the red rectangle. I'm going to find the area of the white rectangle. And once I find those, I'm going to subtract them from each other in order to find that area of that border or like that sidewalk. So sometimes you're adding, sometimes you're subtracting, but you need to tear it apart, figure out what figures you're looking at, and then from there, that's how you would find your area of your composite figure. I hope this video helps you in being able to determine those.